God's own country. Kerala is one of the most popular destinations to explore in India, and it is rightly called God's own country. Kerala is blessed with endless beauty and enchanting attractions. Tourists from across the world wish to witness the beauty of Kerala, including the stunning hill stations, backwaters, hamlet, its rich culture, the taste of its cuisine, and so much more. And do you know that it is also known as the spice capital of India? The destination has plenty to surprise you with. So are you ready to breathe in all of Kerala? Kerala is the perfect place for family vacations, couples getaway, or a honeymoon. It is considered as South India's most serenely beautiful destination. Some of the must-visit places in Kerala are Cochin, Munnar, Thekadi, Alleppey, Kollam, and Thiruvananthapuram. History. The Kerala we see today was formed after independence by combining the Kingdom of Travancore, Kingdom of Samorin, and the state of Cochin. It is believed that Kerala was underwater and was retrieved by Parasurama, who was the human incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Kerala has three political regions that thrived during the Middle Ages. In the 17th century, European traders took over the coastal regions of Kerala as they wanted to get all of the exotic species which were sold in the local markets. By the end of 18th century, the British took control of the land. By the end of 19th century, Kerala had a new face full of greenery and new missionaries and the Industrial Revolution. Coming to the end of 1920s, communism, socialism began to assemble. By the time Kerala got its independence, it was too much engrossed in communism. In 1957, the new Kerala was formed after reorganizing the commission. Today, Kerala has a much better economic condition in comparison to old times. Weather. Kerala is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit Kerala is between the months of September to March. This is when the weather is very pleasant and suitable for travelers to explore all the attractions. But remember, winter is not the only time you should plan a trip to Kerala. Throughout the year, Kerala welcomes visitors from all over the world, offering a comfortable climate. To make the most of Ayurvedic treatments, monsoon is the best time to visit Kerala starting from June to August. Itinerary route. To design your holiday itinerary, check out the list of packages available on Flamingo's website, including famous attractions like Cochin, Munnar, Thekadi, Alleppey, Kovalam, Trivandrum, and more. Cochin. It is the most unique places in Kerala, blended with cultural values and modernity. It is also called Queen of Arabian Sea. It is a busy commercial port with history in trading which dates back to some 600 years. Cochin is considered as the financial, commercial, and industrial city of Kerala. Being a trading seaport, the city features a mixture of cultures which is evident in its architecture, food, and art. Some of the popular places to visit in Cochin are the very well-known Chinese fishing net, Fort Kochi, Mattancherry Palace, St. Francis Church, and more. Don't miss out on famous experiences like enjoying a Kathakali show, trying scuba diving, taking a sunset cruise, enjoying the biggest contemporary art festival in Asia named Kochi Biennale, and more. Munnar. It is one of the most popular hill station in Kerala and must visit on the Kerala tour package. It is located on the banks of three different rivers named Mattupetti, Nallathani, and Periyavaru. Tea lovers will go gaga at this place as the destination boasts more than 80,000 miles of tea plantations along with some aromatic vegetations, valleys, low-flying clouds and so much more. It is one of the most romantic destinations in Kerala due to its cozy, cute homestays and lavish hotels and resorts. Some of the popular attractions in Munnar are the Eco Point, Kundala Dam and Lake, Rose Garden, Mathupeti Dam, Iravikulam National Park and more. Some of the must-do activities include exploring the Tea Museum, rock climbing, cycling, enjoying beautiful waterfalls, visiting the Wonder Valley Adventure Park and more. Whichever season you choose to visit Munnar, you will always wish to explore more. Thekadi. It is heaven hidden in dense forest. It is home to India's largest tiger reserve named Periyar. It is also known as the spice capital of Kerala and very well known for its nature and exotic wildlife species. The Periyar National Park in Thekadi will surely surprise you with fascinating experiences. If you are a nature lover, Thekadi is the place for you. Popular sightseeing you must include on your tour is Periyar National Park, Elephant Junction, Cardamom Hills and more. Try and experience the Kalari Payattu martial arts show, explore the spice plantations, go hiking and bamboo rafting, camp in the jungle and more. Alleppey. One of the main experiences of Kerala are the backwaters in Alleppey. Alleppey is known for its serene backwaters and beauty all around, and it is known as backwater capital of India or the Venice of the East. One of the main attractions here is the houseboat that passes through serene waters, offering the views of green paddy fields, a chance to witness the life of locals and enjoying beautiful sunset. Some of the popular places to visit in and around Alleppey are Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary, Vembanad Lake, Alapuzha Beach, Parithamanal Island and more. Try and interact with the locals, learn about their lifestyle and don't miss out on experiencing the canoe tours and luxury houseboat stay. Kollam. It has its own charm as an attraction of Kerala. It is an enchanting town known for its backwaters and beautiful landscapes. It is a commercial center and home to India's cashew producing industry. It is situated on the banks of Ashtamundi Lake and so cruising along the Alapuzha route is one of the common experiences of the region. Some of the best places to visit in Kollam are Kollam Beach, Jatayu Earth Center, Ashtamundi Lake, Thirumullavaram Beach and more. Kovalam. If you are a beach lover, then Kovalam is the best place for you. It is located along the coast of Arabian Sea and it is one of the best attractions of Kerala. It is located around 16 kilometers away from Thiruvananthapuram, which is the capital city of Kerala. You must have seen a common picture of Kerala with the lighthouse in it. Yes, that place is the Lighthouse Beach in Kovalam. Kovalam is full of beautiful resorts and Ayurvedic massage centers. Explore attractions like Kovalam Beach, Lighthouse Beach, Coconut Beach, and Sagarika Marine Research Aquarium. Don't miss out on witnessing the best view of Kovalam town from Visinjam Lighthouse, enjoying walks on the beach, going beach hopping, enjoying sunsets from Hoover Beach, trying some water sport activities, and more. Thiruvananthapuram. It is also known as Trivandrum and it is the capital city of Kerala. The place is a mixture of rich heritage and ancient colonial legacy, a perfect example of how rural life blends with contemporary lifestyle. It is also known as Evergreen City of India and it is the largest city in the state. The place is loaded with multiple tourist attractions, historical places, beautiful beaches and much more. It is considered as a great place to live in and it is also tagged as economic capital of Kerala. Some of the famous attractions in Trivandrum are Kerala State and Science Museum, Magic Planet Theme Park, Padmanabhaswamy Temple, Thiruvananthapuram Zoo, Nayar Wildlife Sanctuary, Napier Museum, etc. Kanyakumari. It is also known as the land of three seas and it is located at the southern tip of Indian peninsula in Tamil Nadu. Kanyakumari is nested between mountains and bordered by vibrant seashores edged with paddy fields and coconut trees. It is approximately 3 hours away from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. It is a spiritual destination and well known by Indians with Kanyakumari Temple and Vivekananda Rock Memorial. Culture and festivals. Festivals of Kerala are a huge part of Keralian culture and are always celebrated with pomp and show. The season of festival is full of colors, music, exotic fragrances, old traditions, and happiness. Some of the popular festivals celebrated in Kerala are Onam, Vishu, Thrissur Puram, Theyyam Festival, Aranmula Uttarati, and many more. Art and dance forms play a big role in Kerala's culture. Dance forms of Kerala are unique and full of wonderful expressions performed by finest dancers. Kerala is also known for its two classical dance styles, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, attracting tourists from all over the world. Food. As we all know, Kerala is a state in South India and South Indian food is very well known in whole nation and in some foreign countries as well. Kerala cuisine is inspired by Malabari, French and Arabian taste with a hint of Keralian culture. The cuisine of Kerala boasts some delicious vegetarian dishes like dosa, uttapam, rice and rasam, idli and sambar, mendu vada, etc. But at the same time, seafood is equally famous because of its long coastline. Shopping. Kerala offers many interesting products which can be purchased as souvenirs. Shopping in Kerala can be fun as it offers plenty of exotic items like intricate jewelry, artistic paintings, aromatic spices, Kanchipuram saris, dhotis, coconut shells, sandalwood products, Kathakali mask, and so much more. There are endless options to fill your shopping bags with and get presents for your family and friends back home. Transportation. Kerala is an extensive state having lots to explore. The state is highly tourist friendly and offers easy commutation options. You can choose from multiple options like bus, train, auto rickshaws, taxis, ferries, and boats. Hotels. To know more about some comfortable stays in Kerala, check out our Flamingos Hotel portal offering plenty of options to choose from like Radisson, Trident, Greenwoods, Lake Palace, Taj, Leela, and more. So plan your long due holiday to Kerala and know all about why is it considered as God's own country. So what are you waiting for? Visit Kerala for your next holiday. Call us on 8000 788 656.